This is Giancarlo Franzvea from Lympha System Solution. Today we're going to talk about our TMS module for TBO4. Our TMS module will start reading data from SAP Business One. We did create some delivery notes. I'm going to put the posting date and due date 5/31. You can see we have 4 delivery notes. I'm gonna now open TBO4, go into our TMS module deliveries, and we're gonna start from run management. For the purpose of the workflow, we're gonna go to run management, route planning, load truck, proof of delivery dispatch. We have a proof of delivery review at the end of the day, and we can also see the route history of the truck. We're gonna start from run management. Run management will give us the option to select the due date. After I search all the delivery notes in SAP B1, we can base these on sales order or invoice. In this configuration, we based on delivery notes. In case of sales order, we can assign different due dates. In case of delivery notes as well, we can assign different due dates. And this will be only for TBO4, so we can schedule in advance our routes. I'm going to assign the following 2 deliveries to a specific run, in this case the East run. You can see here in the column I assign those to the East run. We can assign those to a new cycle, for example the afternoon cycle. All those information can also be retrieved from SAP B1 in case we have recurring customer from the ship to address, from the customer master data. We can pre-assign those, or after the first time we can have SAP B1 memorize what run, what cycle they belong to. After doing this, I have an estimated delivery time reading from B1. I can also override that. For example, put this for 11:30. And we can see that reflected at the line level. At this stage, I can also make sure that my sequence is right. So I can go to the route planning function. I'm gonna search for my East run, route and search. Assign my cycle number 1, and here's the starting point. And in this configuration we also said that the return point will be the same as the starting point, so from the main warehouse, assuming that our fleet vehicle will return to the main warehouse. This stage I can also see the traffic view, if you will. This is gonna direct me to the first stop, second stop, and you can see coming back in yours pretty common is avoiding the Midtown Tunnel going to Williamsburg Bridge based on the live traffic. We do also have a function called optimize route, where we can again choose our run, decide if we want to optimize by time of delivery, like delivery time, by traffic and delivery time, if we want to avoid highway tolls, both of them, what is the truck height, and based on this we're gonna have an optimization and reroute our delivery stops. Going back to run management, at this point I have my let's say we can go to my East run, and I can print my manifest for the driver. Once the manifest has been loaded, we're gonna go to the next function, which is the load truck. At this point, the manifest has been printed on the our network printer. Now we go to the load truck function. So on the load truck, I'm going to select my run, my cycle, and I can see here I have to load the 2 delivery nodes. This function can be totally customized and can be done by delivery node number, by scanning the item itself, or by scanning the SCC code for the shipping to make sure all the right documents will be loaded to the right truck. So I can go ahead here and scan my delivery node number. In this case, we can see that delivery node number 1185 has been loaded, and we're gonna go for delivery node number 1187. This has been loaded as well. What are the quantity loaded? Again, I'm gonna just make sure I reprint my manifest. At this stage, crystal report, this is my QR barcode for the delivery. Once I get to the destination, I'll be able to scan this QR barcode and start the proof of delivery function. Same for the next one. Now the driver has their destinations in order of sequence that we assigned, and we can proceed to the proof of delivery. Once I get to the destination, the driver is going to go to the proof of delivery dispatch. It's going to go here to the document number, scan the corresponding barcode here. Going to do a quick simulation, which is 85. And we do have in this configuration both sales order and delivery notes, but we can restrict that to any document type. At this stage, I can specify what are the delivery quantity, total number of carton, what is the name of the receiver. I can capture the signature of the receiver. I can save it. I can take photos of the delivery goods. On your device will also appear the camera. At this stage, I can just save the delivery note 1185, and this will be reflected in SAP B1. Once I do that, I do also have a proof of delivery review in TBO4, so I can just go here, look for my delivery note at the end of the day, and see this can be done by delivery note, by manifest number, and I can go here and see the signature has been signed by Giancarlo, sales order number, in this case delivery note number 1185, what was the carton count, what is our TBO4 user, and what was the date and time. The proof of delivery for our second delivery note, 7. Go. We're gonna put the delivery quantity. We're gonna add the carton count. I'm gonna send the receiving, the receiver, add the signature, and add eventually picture. This example, we also gonna add an example. Let's see if we any here. Sorry, not have any picture here for the example. And then we save. Okay. At this point, I can still go to my proof of delivery review, 1187. You can see again my signature, my date, what's the carton count, and if I go in SAP B1, I can see proof of delivery for the previous one with the signature, and I can go 1187. I can see here the new signature for 1187. I do have pictures that can be attached. I can have a report that can be attached with additional infos. We can import right now up to 5 pictures, but this can be extended. Thank you for your time and look forward for the next video.